Hey, first grade. I hope that you are doing well and you are getting through the work week. We are going to start today. We are on lesson 126. Today is Thursday. It is the last day of actual work because tomorrow's our catch-up day. So hopefully you are staying with me and working hard because I know that you work hard and you're awesome. So today we're going to learn some new things, but we're actually going to talk about suffixes. And you remember from class that we had a couple of suffixes. Who can tell me, and hopefully you can shout it out, where do we put our suffixes? Suffix like es and ly. We add those to the end of our root words, right? They come at the end. So today we're going to talk about our suffixes er, that says and est, est. All right? We're going to talk about those two suffixes today. And so what these are, so when I talk about my suffix er, that kind of like compares things or tells what something is. And then our suffix est compares three or more things. And we're going to talk about that once we get into the words, but I just wanted to kind of give you an idea. So let's come together here, and I want you to echo these words after me, and then we will talk about what that means. So hopefully you have your board paper also. At the bottom that says Thursday lesson 126. Those are where I'm getting my words from, and you can do those with me. All right, so echo these words after me. Ready? Teacher, mixer, softer, older. Hopefully you've noticed that the suffix, which is at the end of the word because we add a suffix to the end of a root word, the suffix in these words are all the same, and it's suffix er. And you're exactly right. So when we code our suffixes, remember that all we do is just box them up. So here's my suffix er. And to remind myself that that's a suffix, I box it up. And remember that we can only box suffixes. So if I were to take away this suffix, is that still a word? Yeah, the word's teach. So that definitely is still a suffix. If you think that something is a suffix, ask yourself that question. If I take it away, is that still a word? And then that can help you. All right? So the word is teacher. So I'm going to underline my vowel digraph EA. Mark out the A, put a macron over the E, and also underline my digraph CH. Teacher. The next word is mixer. Put a breve over my I. Mixer. And then my suffix ER, I'm going to box it up. Because if I were to take away my suffix ER, is mix a word? Absolutely. I'm going to mix the brownie batter. That is a word. All right, let's go to the next word. Softer. So when I'm coding the word softer, I know my O is a short vowel O, so I'm going to put a breve over it. Softer is my suffix. And this word is older. I'm going to box my older. Very good. All right. Now, when I'm talking about comparing, what I mean is by saying that I might say, my sister is older than me. I'm comparing our age. So the suffix er can mean that I'm comparing. Or I might say, my pillow is softer than yours. I'm comparing the softness of the pillow. But also, remember I told you at the beginning that er can tell me about something. So for example, I teach, so I'm a teacher. You may bake, so you are a baker. So the suffix er can either tell me that I'm comparing something or that the meaning of something or someone. All right. Now, when we talk about our suffix est, let's do some of those words together. So if I have the word, let's stick with soft. So I've got soft, softer, and then softest. So, in a sentence I might say, I have a soft pillow. I'm comparing it. I might say, my sister has a softer pillow. And then for my softest, which means I'm comparing more than 3 or more things, my mom has the softest pillow. So, my suffixes this week that we're working are suffix ER and suffix EST. And so today, whenever you're doing your phonics sheet, I want you to notice those suffixes. And remember, you can only box it if it's a suffix. So ask yourself, if I take away this suffix, is that still a word? If it is, then that's your suffix. All right, guys, hopefully this is helpful, and hopefully that you now understand what the suffixes mean and why they're added at the end of the word. And go ahead and get started on your phonics page 126 for today, practicing your suffixes. And remember, you're skipping the first numbers 1 through 15, and you're coding the numbers 16 through 25, and then the back is optional. So go ahead and get started on that, and I will see you later. I'm very proud of you. Keep up the awesome work. All right, bye-bye.